Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to talk with someone on Tinder. So this is an easy process to do, and the first step is go to Tinder, and here in the application the only thing you need to do to talk with someone is you can doing match with this person. See, if this person match doing a match with you, you get here in the messages, you will get all the conversations here in that part of the messages. But you need to doing match with this person. If this person give it to you a heart, a green heart, and you can talk with this person, but only if you doing match with her. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.